If you be person wey dey post for social media well, you go know say to create caption no be beans. As in sometimes to create caption hard pass to create the content. You go begin dey think. But if I tell you now say with artificial intelligence, you no need to worry about caption, you go believe. That is, AI go help you create caption for you no matter the post. Open your browser. Fast. Search on chat.openai.com. Sign up if you never create account. So the thing don't open like this. So I want to ask Chat GPT, create caption for Easter holiday post that appeals to ages 18 to 35 with 3 quality hashtags to drive engagement. I just copy them, then paste them for the box. Paste, then send. Make we see what thing go give us. You see caption now we don't get 5 captions. Number 1, celebrating Easter with the squad. Easter celebrations, Easter with friends, egg hunt fun. Number 2, up into the Easter with family and friends. Number 3, Easter weekend well spent with loved ones. EPT or PT Easter. Oh, I don't choose number 4. EPT or PT Easter. Number 4 na my own. May anybody not drag am with me. One good thing about this AI caption I say the caption wey e go give you, e go dey different from the one wey e go give Emeka. E go dey different from the one wey e go give Ndubisi. E go dey different from the one wey e go give Nkechi. I hope say you understand. If you like, you like. If you like, you comment. If you like, you share. Movement.